Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Learning this week, looking at our maths learning. This week we are going to continue on with using the grid method to practice our multiplication using a written strategy. So what you're going to be doing and what we're going to do to show you today is we're going to be creating our own number sentences. So what I've done is I've got 3 cards. One's got 30, one's got 10, one's got 20. And then I've got another section of just paper I've cut up and written numbers on, and I've got the number 5, 3, 2, 4, 8, 6, 7 and 1. So numbers 1 to 8 just cut up on pieces of paper. And what we're going to do is we're going to create numbers together. So Max, you're going to pick one of the multiples of 10. Which multiple of 10 are you going to pick? This one. So Max has picked 20. So I'm going to write 20 up here. That's what he picked. Now pick one of the 1-digit cards. One of the numbers from 1 to 8 for Mum. Hold it up and show it then. 7. So we've got 20 and 7. 20 had 7?
27.
Okay, so we're going to have then 27, and then we're going to multiply 27 by another one of the 1-digit numbers. So can you pick one of the 1-digit numbers?
What?
To start off, can you pick one of those ones? Just because those ones we're looking at. Which one? 2?
27 times 2.
27 times 2 equals. You might know the answer in your head, Max, but we need to work on how to work it out, okay? So, are you watching? Because this will be new learning for you too, won't it?
Yeah.
So we have to set up our grid. We have our 10s. Oh, that pen's not very good. So let me move that one.
Try. Right.
Got our 10s and our 1s in our grid. That's why it's called the grid method.
Wow.
Okay. And then we're timesing
By 2.
by 2. You're all right. But I haven't written the other numbers in, am I? So I need to write my 27 in.
27.
27. And then we look and we start in the column furthest over here. So we say to ourselves, right, what is 2 times...
20.
No. Listen. 2 times this number.
14.
So that equals 14, so we pop it in here.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have to move to the next column along. And then we have to look at 2 times 20. 2 times 20. Hang on. If we look at 2 times 2, what's 2 times 2?
4.
4, but then we have to times that by 10. So 4 times 10 is?
40.
Okay, hang on. Then we have to add those two numbers together. So the numbers that we've got, and we say, right, what is 40? But I have to show the children how to do it, okay? So we use our column strategy.
Yes.
To add them together. We start in this column here and we say 0 add 4 is?
4.
And then 4 tens add 1 10.
It's 50.
So 5 tens. So our answer is?
54. No, that answer I did. I wouldn't have said it, Mum.
Okay. So that's one example. Let's try a different one. So we go back to our multiples of 10 cards, our 10, 20 and 30. Which one are you going to pick? Let's pick 30, okay.
Yeah.
Pick a 1-digit number.
5.
Okay, so we've got 30 add 5, which is?
30 add 5.
What's 30 add 5?
35.
Right, so that's our 2-digit number that we're going to multiply by. So we're going to have, let me see that still, yeah. 35 times, pick one of the other 1-digit numbers.
2.
2 again. Shall we try 3 or 4?
4.
Okay, 4.
4.
And then what you can do is the numbers that you use, you can take away. You can work with specific numbers. It might just be that you want to have the numbers 2 and 5 to multiply by. And then create the 2-digit numbers using some of the other numbers. let's set out our grid.
The grid again. So,
Hang on.
the grid.
We have our times symbol in there. Then we have to split this number up again. So we've got 30 and 5, and that's times by 4. Okay? So we have to look at the ones column first, and we're timesing using this number in the ones column. So 5 times 4 equals
20.
Stop. Then we've got 30 times 4, and the way to look at that is if you have 3 times 4, okay, wait, 3 times 4 is 12.
12.
But because that's a 10, we have to multiply it by 10. So 12 times 10 is
120.
Okay. So then we have to add those numbers together using our written strategy if we need to.
Yeah.
And this will be slightly different because we need to have 100s, 10s and 1 column for our addition. So hang on. So we've got 120 add 20,
which is
big equals weight. Right. Then we have 0 add 0, which equals
nothing.
0. 2 tens add 2 tens equals 4 tens. And then 100 add, there's nothing there, is there? So 100 add nothing.
Is 100.
So our answer is
140.
okay.
That's 35 times 4.
35 times 4 is 140. Because sometimes it's not important to know your 35 times table when you can use all the other number facts that you've already got to help to solve it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's rub these off and then we'll do 2 more examples. And then the children can go and have a go at home with their grown-ups. Okay?
This is going to be fun, isn't it?
Not rubbing off very well, is it?
No, it isn't. But the
Right.
thing is,
Okay, put the numbers back down there. Pick a multiple of 10.
20.
Okay, add one of the 1-digit numbers.
Oh, this one I'm done. 6.
So 20 add 6.
Makes 26.
Okay, and what are we going to multiply 26 by?
5.
5. Okay,
6 times 5.
hang on, because remember we have to set it out. We have to go through the process to help them understand how to do it. Okay, so our 10s and our 1s. Times. So 26 times 5. Okay.
Yeah.
So we say to ourselves, we're timesing by this number, aren't we? So 6 times 5 is
30.
30.
30.
Okay, then we're going to look in our tens column. And if we just don't look at that for a second and we say 2 times 5 is
10.
10. And then because that's in the tens column, we have to multiply it by 10. So 10 times 10 is
100.
100. And then we have to add those together using our written method if you need to. Oh.
Yes. So
So we have 100 add 30 equals 0 add 0.
0.
0 tens add 3 tens.
30.
That's 3 tens. And 100 add nothing.
100.
100. So our answer is
130.
yes. Sit nicely for me, please.
That's an answer I picked.
Right, we're going to do one more then. I'm just going to rub out this working out because otherwise we won't be able to see the next one. Okay, pick a multiple of 10.
This
I
one.
haven't done this one yet. Should we do this one? Obviously, you know what numbers your children are comfortable with. So I've got 10, 20 and 30. You might just want to pick 10 and 20. You might just want to pick 10. and then get them to add another one-digit number to them. But for Max, we're going to go with 30. Add another one-digit number. While you're deciding, I'll draw it out. You want to do 8? So 30 add 8.
It's 38.
38 times what number?
I'm getting ready for oh.
I'm going to do it times 4. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to change my pen. So 38 times 4. So we do, look at our ones column, we're timesing by this number down here. Okay. So 8 times 4, what's 8 times 4, Max?
32.
32. Okay, then we're going to look at our tens column and we're going to say to ourselves, what is 3 times 4? I'm not sure you can see that. 3 times 4 is
12.
12. And then because it's in the tens column, we have to multiply that number by 10. So 12 times 10 is
120.
120. And then to work that out, if we need to, we can use our column
100.
addition. So we'll do 120 add 32
Is
equals, so we've got 0 add 2,
2.
2 tens add 3 tens,
5 tens.
and then 100 add nothing.
100.
100. So our answer is,
152.
so 38 times 4 is 152. So this is a chance for you at home to have a practice. Lost where my 30 is. Have a practice at using the strategy at creating your own number sentences. Pick the numbers with your grown-ups so that you know that you're going to feel comfortable working with them as well. Have a go, and then if you're feeling super confident, underneath the video link on the website there is a challenge with some word problems for you to solve involving multiplication that you need to use the grid method to solve. Good luck. If you have any problems, get your grown-ups to email me and let me know, and we can have one-to-one video calls and things like that to help you out if you need me to. Enjoy. Thanks. Bye.